Hello. I'm gonna get right into this video. It's been a while since I've done a voiceover, so I'm just gonna get into it. I always start off by cleansing my face with Bioderma. I do actually do this every single time right before makeup with myself or even on other people, so that is definitely my go-to every single time. I think one of my biggest pet peeves is having my hair in my face when I'm doing my makeup, so I tend to always, and I mean always, clip my hair back. Next thing I'm going to do is use a moisturizer. I typically don't use this one all the time, but my skin has been a little dry, so I'm going to go in with this one. I don't know if it's pronounced Weleda, but I always call it Weleda, and it's the Skin Food Light Cream Moisturizer. I use that one because I do have oily skin, so I try not to use the more heavy creams, otherwise I'm going to look like a glazed donut later. Eye cream is always optional. I don't think you need it, but I like to use it because I have crusty under eyes. Believe it or not, I actually don't care for primers, but I will use this one if I'm going to be putting foundation on. If you're wondering why I looked really excited, I thought a package came in for my Lisa Eldridge lipsticks, but false alarm. With my brows, I don't really do anything crazy. Kind of just like your typical fill in like the sparse areas. What I think for me matters is the brow gel. Literally, I could not fill in my eyebrows and just use brow gel and I'll be happy. So the makeup that I'm doing in this video specifically is more of a natural look. So I actually am not going to be putting on foundation. I'm just going to be focusing on covering certain spots. So I believe, I can't even remember what I recorded in this video. I'll just be using concealer actually. I don't know if you can really tell, but what I typically do is blend out the edges first, and I really focus on blending out the edges, and I let that inner part dry down a little longer before I blend it, and it just gives it more coverage, I've noticed. I do this even when I do a full face as well, and it just gives that specific area that's darker than the rest under my eye just a good amount of coverage. I love these cloud paints so much. I know other people talk about it as well, and there's a reason for it. They're very pigmented. I think I've had this tube for longer than I should in terms of expiration date, but it works, and I love this specific shade too. I use it more than any of the other ones. I don't even know why I bought more, but 10 out of 10. Oh, and I actually use a brush. Obviously, you guys can see that. But yeah, I typically use a brush. Now, I feel some type of way sharing this because it is limited edition and I got it as a Christmas gift. Shout out to Ben. But it is beautiful. On one side it's a powder and on the other side it's like a cream highlighter, and it is gorgeous. I love it. So this is actually my first time trying this Morphe setting spray. It's your typical setting spray in terms of feeling and what it's supposed to do. I'm actually not a huge fan of setting sprays. I haven't found one that is significantly better than the other. But I do like kind of feeling that little bit of tightness with this one because it's supposed to be mattifying. And kind of what I mentioned earlier, I do have oily skin, so I literally have to powder my T-zone, specifically my forehead, under my eyes, and definitely my chin. That is something I always do. Probably a cat hair. Now, I think I'm mainly doing my lips just because I was doing a video and I was going to stay home. But I typically just put like a chapstick on and oh, I got my lipsticks. I'm clearly doing a happy dance. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, lips, yes. With masks, I actually don't wear that much lipstick. Just some chapstick, you know, keep them moisturized. How beautiful is this? Oh man, I forgot I included this in here. If you don't know who Lisa Eldridge is, you're missing out. I ended up getting 3 of her lipsticks, and I don't regret it. They were obviously pricey, but if you've been dying to try them, do it. It's worth it. Look, I'm telling you right here. Let me know if you want me to do a separate video on those lipsticks because they are a bomb. And that is the finished look for my kind of everyday natural makeup that I've been doing lately. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.